guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a favorites video for March. I don't have that much to share. I do have 2 canker sores and they hurt really, really bad. Right here and up here. I don't know how I got 2 at once, but if my mouth is like lagging today, well, it's always lagging, but if it's extra lagging, that's why. I also think I'm getting sick. This has been Complain Station with Amy Lynn Buttchin. But anyway, I don't have as much as I normally do. I mean, I still have a lot of things, and most of them are skincare, so I'm kind of really excited about it. But I have some favorites. I have 1 flop, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. Like, that was a really lackluster intro, but hey, we kept it short, so whatever. Ow. You wanna see it? Can you see it? Can't even see it. So normally we start with nail polish, but I don't have any nail polish. I know, I've been really lacking. I did just, however, in the mail get the new Essie spring collection, which I'm excited about. Right now I'm wearing It's a Boy by OPI. I've just been wearing like pastel colors. Before this I had on, I'm getting Tangerine. Just, I don't know, I've been into like, it's spring, so I'm into spring pastel colors, but I still do want to pick up more of the, or not more, I still do want to pick up the Tokyo collection. I just haven't. I just saw that they dropped a soft shades collection. I'm really behind on nail polish, so I have no new nail polish favorites for you. Hopefully soon. So we'll jump right into makeup, and I only have 1 makeup fave and a flop. So, and then the rest is skincare and then oils, so we're just getting right to it. I feel like it's really loud and I need to shut that door outside. Hold on. Oh, looks like I'm not wearing pants, but I am. Well, I'm wearing shorts, not pants. So, my makeup fave is this Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. And I mentioned this, oh, I just did a Disney Get Ready With Me video in which I used pretty much all of my favorite makeup at the moment. So I would recommend watching that for all of my favorite makeup and how I use it currently, and I will link that up in the corner. A lot of the makeup is just the same makeup I talked about in my February favorites. I haven't changed much up. Although, and I'll haul these in a different video, I'm going to do a beauty haul coming up, but Physicians Formula just sent me their new Butter Blush shades, and I'm so excited. I'm wearing Peachy Beach today. Tried it out for the first time, loved it. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. Let me put those back. So I've been using a lot of the same makeup as the last couple of months, so check out those videos if you want to see. The only new thing I have to mention that I haven't mentioned in favorites is this concealer, and I mentioned in that Disney Get Ready With Me video, so I apologize if you already heard it, but I bought this to be an under eye concealer because Jessica Braun loves it, and so I bought it, but I bought the wrong shade. I mean, the shade matches my skin perfectly, but it's not. I like a shade or 2 lighter than my skin for underneath my eyes just to brighten up things a little bit. So this didn't work as an under eye concealer just because I bought the wrong shade. I bought the shade Fair, which that usually works for me. Fair or like Porcelain or Ivory, you know, one of the 3. But I have been loving this as a spot concealer. I ran out of my Benefit Boing concealer, which if you've been watching me for like the last year or so, you've seen me use that. I completely used it up, which was very satisfying. It's nice to have a concealer that's not in a tube like this, so you can get every little last bit. But that concealer was okay, and I recommended it for, I mean, I feel like I was pretty honest about it. Like, I just felt okay about the concealer. I was going to use it up, but I wasn't in love with it. This I am in love with. This covers redness so well. So I've been mentioning I'm having skin issues. I don't know what's happening, but I'm breaking out everywhere, and I always have a hard time covering up redness, and this has been like saving my life this month. So I had some breakouts here. I have a couple on my forehead. I just ended my period. That's TMI, but like usually as the period leaves, so do the breakouts. So yeah, I still have a couple like red marks and whatever, but this covers up redness so well. I don't know, like I just always have such a hard time covering redness. I'll put the concealer on, I'll dab it out, but then like you could still see it's red, but not with this. I love it. It's a drugstore price. It sets nicely all day. It doesn't move around. I'm just obsessed with this. So I want to definitely buy another one to try underneath my eyes, because I think that's what it's like made for, but I don't really care. This is working really well on my skin, so gonna keep it up. My flop is by Becca, and it's the Chloe and Malika Becca BFFs situation, and I'm gonna be really like stingy is not the word, picky about this, but like, first of all, this packaging is crap. Like, this is made out of paper. Like, that come on. I haven't even said what it is. It's the Becca BFFs Glow Letters in Sweethearts. This was sent to me. You guys know I'm gonna be honest whether it was sent to me or not. It's one of those like things where it has like the letters at the bottom, which first of all I was like, this is gonna be the total wrong color for me because it's more of like a bronze shade and like I don't need to be wearing that. But I did use it as like a blush one day, and I really feel like it barely did anything. I just washed it on my hand and it did nothing. That sounded like I farted, but I didn't. It was my thigh on this chair. Ugh. So I'm gonna like get a good swirl going to try and get a swatch. It truly does nothing. Like, here we go. I am just going to town in there. Of course the gardeners are here. I'm going to press on. Does nothing. So I was disappointed in that. There's like maybe a little gold shimmer if you hold it up in this big ass light, but like it is not what's up. So I was highly disappointed with this, so much to the point that I like don't even want to reach for it. So I'm gonna pass this on, and I would not recommend you spend your money on it. So that wraps up makeup. Now we will move on to skincare, which I have kind of a lot and I don't know where to start. I'll start here. So First Aid Beauty sent me a package and it had 3 things in it. These 2 that I'm about to talk about, and then a skin barrier cream, Barriere, because it's supposed to like help protect from pollution and stuff. I tried that one out. I didn't love it. I didn't hate it. It's just more of like a mattifying lotion, which I steer clear from those. But these 2 things I am loving. So the first one is the Fab Skin Lab Retinol Eye Cream with triple hyaluronic acid. This has not replaced my favorite eye cream by any means, but I am really enjoying this because I am seeing a difference in like how deep my crow's feet go. I really feel like the skin around my eyes looks tighter when I use this, but it's not as moisturizing as my favorite, which we all know is the Yes to Blueberries eye firming treatment. So when I use them like together, not together, but I'll use this in the mornings because it also, makeup goes on really, really nicely on top of it. I've used eye creams before where like it's just really unpleasant to put makeup on top of them, but this one, your makeup looks so nice on top of, and I really truly feel like I'm seeing a difference. And I always feel crazy. Same with like the Kate Somerville like chest stuff that I always talk about. It's not made for your chest, it's made for your face and your neck and your chest, but like I only use it on my chest. Whatever. I'm so distracted by the gardeners. I always complain about the gardeners and you comment like, oh, we can't even hear them. So I'm just gonna keep going, but this time I'm pretty sure you can hear them. But anyway, I truly feel like I'm seeing a difference. I've been like studying it, I've been looking, and especially under the eye, this area, things look firmer, tighter, less wrinkly, and I'm obsessed. So like I said, I've been using this every morning. I've been using my Yes to Blueberries at night, and I love the way that they're working together to make my under eyes look flawless and feel moisturized. And then this I'm loving even more. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. This stuff is amazing and it smells amazing. So I ran out of my Pixie Rose oil that you guys know I love. I talk about it all the time, but I love that oil, and I know that it's like kind of pricey for a drugstore oil, but I really truly think it's an amazing oil. But I feel the exact same way about this. This stuff is amazing. It says it's safe for sensitive skin, and I don't know what the point of it is. Like, you know, I think it's just supposed to be a moisturizing oil. It says dry oil, which that kind of like, I don't know, when I think of dry oil, I think of an oil that absorbs much quicker into your skin. This isn't like that. It's pretty much the same consistency as my Pixie oil, where it's pretty oily on your face before you go to bed, and it smells so good. This stuff smells so good that Bradley will be in bed like sniffing my face like, oh, that smells nice, which is a nice change from the frankincense oil on my face that he hates. So maybe that's what it is. But no, I truly think it smells amazing. And I wake up looking like very plump and dewy, and my skin and looks and feels great. So I have been loving this. If you are into oils, I would highly recommend this, especially if you have like sensitive skin, because I know First Aid Beauty is great for sensitive skin, and I've just hella been enjoying it. I'll be doing an updated nighttime and morning routine, night routine, morning routine very soon, and you'll see like all these products in the mix. My other favorite moisturizer this month has been the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I feel like I ran out of all my skincare at once, like everything that was moisturizing, and I was using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion or whatever, and I think it was breaking me out, so I stopped using that, and I was kind of going through my drawers to see what else I could use, and I forgot that they sent this to me. And I think I wasn't like looking into using it because for some reason I thought exfoliate would mean that it was like not that moisturizing, but I was so wrong. This stuff is so moisturizing and creamy. Like if you just look at it, you can tell. It smells so good. It smells just like the other exfoliate like cleanser, and besides the smell, it feels and makes my skin look so good. Same with the oil. Like I've been loving both of these. I switch off every night because I love them both equally and I can never decide, so I let them take turns. But when I wake up, my skin feels and looks so good, and I'm just like obsessed with these 2 new products. And none of my skincare is affordable today, and I'm really sorry about that. I gotta work on finding more affordable skincare, but this stuff is so good, and I would highly recommend. Kate Somerville like hardly steers me wrong. I love her. Then I have a body skincare favorite. This is the Kiehl's Supremely Softening Rose body lotion. I got this as a gift from my best friend Hoopty at my bridal shower, and I used it like a couple times. I was like, oh, that's okay, and then I forgot about it. But then I ran out of my Lush Sleepy body lotion, which is what I use at night, and I like something a little bit thicker in the nighttime. I didn't have any of my body butters from the Body Shop, and I was looking around and I saw that I still had this, and I was like, oh, I completely forgot about that. And I've been using it and loving it. I've been using it night and day, to be honest, because it's like lightweight enough for all day, but it's still heavy enough for night, if that makes sense. Especially in the winter, my skin is just so dry, especially my legs and like my feet and like my arms, like my whole body. It smells not like sweet rose, just kind of, I don't know, more of like a florally rose. It smells really good. I love the way rose things smell. I know that Kiehl stuff used to use parabens. I loved that eye cream, but it had all 5 parabens in it, and I was like, I just can't do that anymore. So I don't see any parabens in this, which is good. I don't know about the rest of the ingredients, but parabens is something I've personally decided to take out of my routine as much as I can. I'm sure I still use products with some parabens in them, but I'm picking my nose in front of you. I'm pretty aware when I'm buying things if they have parabens in them. It doesn't look like this does, but I'm loving this as a body lotion so much, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep using it up. And then last but not least, I have 2 oil favorites, and I'm really excited about both of these. The first one is Wintergreen. These are both by Young Living. If you don't know, I am a Young Living user and distributor. If you ever have any questions, you can DM me on my oils Instagram account at essentiallyamy with 3 L's. I just joined like last May. It hasn't even been a full year, so I'm still like trying and learning and like trying new oils, and I ordered Wintergreen last month. I also totally did an oils essential rewards haul and totally forgot to edit and upload it for the month of March, so that's gone. I normally do ER hauls on my oils Insta page, so follow it for that. I feel like my voice is so raspy today because I am getting sick, which is perfect for this. Woo! That clears up the sinuses. So like I said, this is Wintergreen, and I have used this like almost every day since I got it, and I've barely touched it. Like I go through Citrus Fresh like crack. Like cocaine. I go through like I've ever done cocaine. I haven't. But I've already gone through 2 bottles of Citrus Fresh this month. Like I literally like down that shiz. But this, a little goes a long way, so I'm not using as much, and I've been loving diffusing this in the bathroom. Just like 3 drops for 4 hours does wonders, and I've been loving it. I don't buy them anymore because they have that aspartame stuff in it, which is terrible for you, but I used to love the Wintergreen icebreakers, and this smells just like them. It smells so, so good. I love spearmint and wintergreen more than I love like traditional peppermint, which is funny because I'm diffusing peppermint in this room as we speak. But yeah, I've been loving this. This is more of a turkey oil, I assume, because it has one of like the child's caps on it. So be careful with this one, but I've truly been loving diffusing it in the bathroom for a nice like crisp, refreshing, uplifting scent that like gets rid of all the poop smell in the bathroom. And last but not least is Digize, which I've talked about before. I'm actually going to do a new starter kit video. The last one I did was more of a first, of course, as I'm like winding down to stop, they stop gardening. My first video I did on that was more of like a first impressions. So now that I know more of what I'm talking about, and they also just updated the starter kit, I want to do like a full, this is what comes in the starter kit, this is how I use them, and make it like a very detailed video where I show you everything I do with these oils. And in that starter kit, I got more roller balls, which I've been wanting this because Digize is Young Living's digestive blend. It's good for tummy support, all your tummy troubles. And like now I will not leave or travel without this. Like this is a miracle worker, which I'm not allowed to say probably. But basically, we went to BJ's the other day and I had way too many mozzarella sticks, and I was feeling it, and I was like, oh, let me try out that Digize. The thing was, I had only used this once before. Now I use it like every day, but I only used it once before, and it really did work, but the smell of it is not pleasant. It has a bunch of crap in it. It's got tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, which is I think why it smells so like licorice-y, lemongrass, anise, patchouli, and that's it. So it's just really kind of like an unpleasant mixture. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's just not what you want to smell. Like I would never diffuse this. Bradley was like, oh, it's not that bad. No, it is terrible. I used that once and I hated the way it smelled so much that I didn't use it again, but the problem is that I put it on my stomach with my hands. So I put the oil in my hands, rubbed it, and then rubbed it on my belly. But now I put a roller top on it, so now when I want to use it, I will just roll this around my belly button and then close the cap. So while you're getting a little bit of that stench, it's not like all over your hands and arms and shirt like it was before. So I think I'm pretty genius with this. I love the roller top thing for oils that I apply topically, which this is one of them. I also like Pan Away. I have one on that, and I will just rub it into my temples or on the back of my neck when I have like a tension headache or just sore muscles. So yeah, this is a true like lifesaver when I'm having an icky stomach and this will clear it up within 5 to 10 minutes. Like, it's crazy. And I'm not the only one. I have a lot of friends who say the exact same. My friend Jillian was the one who like really was like, you have to get into it. You have to try it. Because this was like the only one out of my starter kit that I like really didn't touch. But now I'm obsessed. It's in my purse. I just got a new purse. I have this whole little oils bag that has all my oils in it, and I'm still building my collection, but this is definitely in there all the time. I love it. But okay guys, that is it for my March favorites. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I didn't have a ton, but I'm sure this video was still plenty long. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon. I'm kind of filming a lot right now. I got a home haul coming up, beauty haul, more of my spring cleaning series, a Lush Easter haul, a lot of food videos, more day in my lives. So I got a lot of stuff coming your way, and please as always leave me video requests down below. I'm always interested to know what you guys want to see. Also, it really helps out my channel if you can thumbs up videos that you like to see. It helps me know what you want to see, but it also just helps me build on YouTube, if that makes sense. I've heard that like thumbs up means you'll show up more in the description or in the sidebar of other people's videos, and then you grow more. So if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up to help my channel grow, that would be great. But otherwise, I will have my little face right here. You can subscribe if you wish, and click that click that bell to be notified every time I upload. It's very handy. I love it. And then I'll have some videos down here you can watch. But yeah, otherwise I'll see you very soon in the next video. I hope you have a great day, and if not, I hope tomorrow is better. There's always tomorrow. I'll see you very soon, and I'll talk. I've said everything so many times. I'm gonna go now. Love you. Bye.